So if you have these two lines are parallel right here, that means that we've created some transversals and some issues, right? So let's say I extended this line here, and I extended this line here, and I look at extend the spear here. You see this? Well, we know that this angle and this angle are equal because they're corresponding angles. And we also know, here's another spear, that these two angles are equal, right? And they share this angle, so it's equal to itself. So we know that the two triangles are similar. And if they're similar, their sides are proportional. So what we need to do is redraw these as two different triangles and then work the problem, okay? So when I draw that, let's just look at the big guy. The right side here is 238 inches or whatever. The right side here is 153. Everybody see that? Yes. Now the left side is
378.
Well, we need this bottom side. So this whole bottom side on the big guy, if we put an X here, this is the hard part, 279 plus X. Yeah. And this other bottom side is 279. So we have 238, the first guy, this is your first guy, 238 and 279 plus X is the first guy, right? Yeah. And we'll make our fraction. And the 238 goes with the 153. And the other guy goes with the plain 279. So this gets ugly before it gets pretty again. When I reduce this fraction here, I get 14/9. It'll make the numbers smaller. So go ahead and reduce it if you can.
Yeah.
All right, so when I cross multiply 14 times 279 this way, I get 3906.
Oh, here.
And on the other side, I get 9 times 279, which is 2511. Plus 9x. All right, so when we take 3906 minus 2511, we get 1395 equals 9x, and we divide that by 9. And we get x equals 155, and that's what they want us to find is the missing length, and we're done. One of the things I notice about this triangle, I'm going to draw the small one and the big one, okay, is that this is 630 here, that whole right big side, but this side here we don't know what it is because there's nothing here, so I'm going to put 196. Everybody see that? And the reason it's 196 is because you take 630, which is the whole thing, minus 434.
Yeah.
Do you see the question mark? Everybody see the question mark?
Yeah.
We are always going to make that an X. Okay? So we have X is the whole amount, and 140, X is the big amount, sorry. And 140 is this amount. Does everybody see that?
Yeah.
So we have got 140 and 196 and X and 630. So I'm going to take the 196 over 630, contrary to what some people in here want me to do, and reduce it. And that's another 14 over 45. Oh, that's because I did this earlier. Okay. So now we cross multiply, and we get 45 times 140 is 6,300 equals 14x, and then divide by 14. X is 450.